Welcome to Hustle Empire, guys. If you're new to this channel, I teach people how to make money online. In this video, I'll be going through the key steps how you can create and promote affiliate offers through Google Ads. The reason I think I'm one of the right people to create a video like this is because I've been successful in growing my affiliate marketing business to the point that I can go to great places throughout the globe and still generate affiliate income, even on great vacations. So I'm convinced I can direct you in the right direction. Please remember to click the like button if you found any value in this video. I really appreciate that. Thank you very, very much. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and enable the bell notification icon so that you can be notified whenever a new video is posted. Now let's get right to work. You obviously need to choose an affiliate offer that you wish to promote for step one. And although there are many ways to do this, one of the best ways in my view is to look at what other people are spending money on when it comes to YouTube ads in order to discover a successful affiliate offer. We're going to use a new YouTube ad spy tool called VidTao for this purpose, which is similar to a YouTube ads library and will show you high-performing ads from which you can copy your ads for your affiliate offer. You can sign up for free. Once you finish creating the account, go to Top Videos and then write Money Making to see the best video ads in this category. In this case, I'm going to advertise an offer for money making, and I put money making since I'm aware that there are several affiliate offers available that have to do with assisting people in making money online and also as a side hustle. At this stage, the main objective is to try to find an advertisement where the person isn't showing their face, since this is more likely to be an affiliate offer. This is how the advertising looks. We can see that they are hiding their faces, utilizing a variety of stock movies, and displaying text on the screen. The item they are promoting will then display on the screen after a certain amount of time, giving the prospective customer the opportunity to decide whether or not to buy it. Now, this brings me to the second action that has to be taken into account, which is that you need to register for the affiliate network. Since we now know that ClickBank is where the offer can be found, all you have to do to get started if you don't already have an account there is head to their homepage and click on Start here. Then after selecting Skip this quick start lesson, you will only need to provide your contact information, including your first and last names, phone number, and email address. And after the full account creation process is completed, what you'll see is similar to this page. Then, you can select rank from high to low to find the best performing offers. As you can also see, the first result is the same item that this affiliate marketer is promoting, and they typically earn $135 each time a consumer chooses to make a purchase. Of course, you must first click on Promote over here in order to get your own affiliate link and start making money. After that, enter the alias you choose when you created your account. I'll enter mine in the same manner. The URL you must use when building your YouTube ad is Create Hop Link. So I'm going to click on it in order to accurately track all of your signups and transactions and to be able to get the right amount of commissions. Okay, so the next step is to create the video ad once you've found a product you want to advertise, joined up for the affiliate network, and gotten your affiliate links. And once again, there are many different methods to do this. If you're good at editing, you'll be able to use your video editing software fast to create an advertisement where you don't show your face and use stock images from websites like Pixels or Pixabay and similar places. You may sign up for this program called InVideo for free by following the link in my explanation down below if you're not very skilled at editing. Additionally, if you choose not to, you are not required to provide any credit card information. It's also quite easy to utilize after you've made an account, since all you have to do is go over here and click Create New. After that, you'll click on Text to Video, where you may choose from a variety of templates to use as the starting point for creating your film. I'm going to click on this one over here because the video we're working on is about making money. Simply click it, set the orientation to landscape, and then choose Use Template. The video script may then be entered precisely here, and in video we'll be able to match the script sections with the video scenes. Additionally, I personally like to utilize ChatGPT while creating the script, since it may make the process much simpler. It is so easy to create an account that it just takes a few seconds. You may also enter a question such as, can you create a script for a 45-second YouTube video ad about making money with the correct timestamps, if you already have an account? In order for me to copy and paste this whole script into InVideo and have them create the video for me, it has already started working to give me the screenplay and inform me of what has to be spoken. As a result, pasting the script inside the box will just need a few easy steps. When you click Create Scenes, you may choose iStock and the premium stock images if you have a premium account. By picking this option over here, I may also add a voiceover. So if I like, I may record my own voice or utilize an automatic AI speech. And after you reach this stage, have watched the full film, are pleased with everything, and have verified that nothing is incorrect, you clearly need to export the video, which you can only do if you upgrade to the premium account without any watermarks. Additionally, I've included a condensed URL as well as a 25% discount code in my explanation below if you're serious about creating your video ad and want to opt in. But regardless of your decision, the next action is to create a Google Ad account. And although while it would seem like a simple task, when I first began looking into how I needed to manage YouTube advertising, I wasn't completely sure how to go about it. In case you didn't know, Google really owns YouTube. You must therefore go over here, register a Google Ad account, and ensure that it is connected to your YouTube account. The fifth and last step in creating your campaign is something you should be aware of if you want to use affiliate marketing and YouTube adverts to earn money online. When I say create your campaign, I refer to the process that comes after you've added the video to your YouTube channel, created a Google Ad account, and signed in. You'll get a screen like this, and you need to click New Campaign exactly as shown. Google will then inquire about the objective of your campaign. Additionally, they will provide you options such as sales, leads, web traffic, and so on. To personalize the advertisement to whatever objective you're trying to pursue, I'm merely going to choose Create a Campaign without a Go guideline for the sake of the present video. They will then inquire as to the nature of your campaign. You will also be given a wide range of options, but of course we have a video ad going. However, the main thing I want to demonstrate to you at this time is how the website seems and the kind of inquiries they'll make of you. You'll need to establish a daily budget, for instance. Additionally, you must decide on the start and end dates, as well as the region and language that your prospective client speaks. Making sure Google has all the information it needs will be all that is required of you to ensure that the proper person sees your ads and that your daily advertising budget is not wasted. Of course, I won't be able to cover everything in today's video, but there are some additional important things to keep in mind during the whole setup. We'll be stuck here for the next 2 hours to 3 hours if not. However, if you're interested in seeing a thorough video that I make and would want to see, please leave a comment below. But in the meantime, if you want to see another video I recently created in which I walk you through every step of creating a faceless YouTube channel, just click the link there. After this one, check it out since it has helped so many others and I'm sure it will help you as well. Okay everyone, on to the next one. I'll see you.